Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has identified UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.42. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone a decline of -11.93%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.08% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is suggested, though there may be instances of false breaks and sell-offs. Nevertheless, a further decrease seems plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point, which is $424.24, should be viewed as a second opportunity to exit. According to the fan theory, $259.89 could represent the new bottom for the upcoming trend, although it is too early to make a definitive statement about this. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of -7.56% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -1.94% to +36.05%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -5.24%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from +7.82% to +44.40% over the following year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $431.18 and $577.49. End. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline: UnitedHealth Group stock price ended at $399.92 on Friday, after losing 0.19%. The UnitedHealth Group stock price fell by 0.19% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, decreasing from $400.68 to $399.92. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 2.26%, reaching a low of $393.11 and a high of $402. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 11.93% during that period. Notably, volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, albeit alongside falling prices. This trend may signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 10 million shares were exchanged for approximately $4.07 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest was $393.11. Currently, the price sits 36.59%, or $230.81, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which remains the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group has recently faced significant scrutiny with news of securities class action investigations encouraging shareholders to assess their positions. This legal concern could induce short-term volatility around stock prices, impacting investor sentiment and potentially causing fluctuations as uncertainty looms. Conversely, the life science analytics market, projected to grow to nearly $69 billion by the year 2030 at an impressive compound annual growth rate, underscores a pivotal trend in healthcare. As UnitedHealth operates in this sector, its positioning, bolstered by analytics, could long-term enhance operational efficiencies and empower strategic decision-making, maintaining robust earnings growth forecasts between 13% to 16%. This aligns favorably with UnitedHealth's strategic focus on expanding its capabilities within data-driven healthcare services. The recent appointment of Patrick Conway to lead Optum, UnitedHealth's health services business, indicates a strategic shift aimed at reinforcing its market presence and operational execution within the healthcare landscape. Such changes could bolster investor confidence and result in a more stable stock performance over the long term, counteracting short-term legal uncertainties. In summary, while immediate pressures from class action investigations may apply downward pressure on the stock, UnitedHealth's long-term growth potential, driven by analytics and enhanced leadership, could provide a favorable backdrop for enduring stock appreciation. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a hold rating with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned UNH a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned UNH an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Stephens assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned the UnitedHealth Group stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock for UnitedHealth Group holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $412.02 and $498.94. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 33.29%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 7 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, reflecting high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $8.89 between its high and low, which equates to 2.26%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 2.67%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could signify a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.41. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $425.33. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already in possession of the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which indicates that the stock might experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the first day of April in the year 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the same day, John H. Noseworthy also executed an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. Again on April 1st, Frederick William McNabb III made an insider purchase of 183 shares of common stock. On that date, Paul R. Garcia performed an insider purchase of 60 shares of common stock. Paul R. Garcia made another insider purchase on the same day, acquiring 108 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 56.697 in total. Insiders purchased 273,529 shares and sold 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group displays several negative indicators and is currently on a broad and declining trend. We anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open lower by $1.58, starting at $398.34. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.